One powerful tool for deleting elements from a list is the del statement. It's a built-in keyword in Python, reserved solely for deleting. Let's begin with a list of movies I want to watch. So, let me give a list. Movies is equal to, again, Inception, comma, Interstellar, Arrival, Gravity, and Tenet. Okay, so this is our list of movies. So let's print movies list. Okay. Yeah, now if I want to remove Interstellar, which is at index 1, so what will I use if I have to use the movie at the index 1? I will give, using the del keyword, I'll give del, then I'll give movies, that is the name of my list, and then I'll give the index 1. So now let's print movies. See, it has deleted it. It has removed Interstellar, which is at index 1. Now movies becomes Inception, Arrival, Gravity, and Tenet. Now to delete multiple movies, say I want to delete movies from index 2 to 4. We can slice the list. We have already studied the slicing concept, right? So yes, let's use that. So del keyword, let's give movies, and in movies, let's give index 2 to 4. And after this, let's print movies. So what has happened? It removed Gravity and Tenet, and we are left with Inception and Arrival. So it removed the movie at the index 2, that is Gravity, and the index 3, that is Tenet. Now to delete multiple movies, we saw, right? Now to completely delete the movies list from memory, what will you do? So we will give del movies. Now let's print movies. So if we try to access movies list now, Python is throwing a name error because it no longer exists. We just deleted using the del keyword, movies. So if instead I just want to empty the list while keeping the movies variable intact, what can I do? I can give movies is equal to, now let's say we are again create movies is equal to Inception, comma, Arrival. Okay, now let's again see print movies. So we have Inception and Arrival in our movies list. So we can now give movies dot clear. Okay, now if we again print movies, it returns an empty list. So movies is just an empty list now. So it has, what has it done? While keeping the movies variable intact, it has just emptied the list using clear method. Another trick is we can replace a slice of the list with an empty list also. Now let's suppose our movies list is this. Let me take this. Okay, now we print this. This is our movies list. Now here, if I want to give movies is equal to, I can also give movies, I want to say from the index 1 to 4 is equal to, let me give blank, empty. This deletes Interstellar, Arrival, and Gravity. So we will be only left with Inception and Tenet. Let's see. And after this, let me just print the movies list. So see, we are only left with Inception and Tenet. So what has it done? It has removed and replaced with a empty list. That is index 1, index 2, and index 3. So all three have been replaced with empty and only Inception and Tenet is left. So remember, we can use del keyword for specific elements, or if we want to remove elements in a range. We can also use the clear method to empty the list, but if we want to keep the original variable. And you can also replace a slice with an empty list to remove multiple items. So you can practice these, and list management in Python will become your second